everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with Fun Stamper's Journey, and I want to welcome you to today's spotlight video where I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble a couple of our pocket dies. So first up we have our note pocket, which looks like this, and once you've cut it out, it's going to look like this. Now wherever you see a scored line, that is where you're going to want to make your fold. And I love using our crease tool to get a nice, straight, crisp fold. And then the last one we're just going to pop up like this. Now these two tabs are your adhesive tabs. So I'll just grab a little bit of our craft glue. And you really don't need much. Our craft glue is very strong. And just sort of line it up, press it together. Here's your pocket, and if you want to get a nice fast adhesion, you can always clip the sides and set it aside to dry, but really with just this little amount of glue I used, you're pretty much good to go. Next up we have our scallop pocket, which looks like this. It's pretty much exactly the same as the first one, only the detail on the pocket is scalloped. So it gives you a little fun look there. And next we have our window pocket die, which looks like this. And you'll notice that this die template is solid instead of having the cutout. And the main difference with this style is when you cut, you're going to get a nice crisp edge, whereas when you have the outline of the die, you can get an embossed look to your cut. So this is what you're going to get when you cut out your pocket, your window pocket. You're not going to need this square, but definitely keep it in your scraps because it is a nice, good, usable square. So once again, we're going to fold along where we have these score lines. And if you'll notice, when you try to fold on this score line, when your score line is close to a cut open edge, it's going to want to tend to bend kind of in the wrong place. So what I like to do is with my fingernail or even a score tool from behind, I make a little pinch, and that will get your fold started, and then it will just go nicely along. So again, I'm doing that initial pinch, folding these adhesive tabs in. Got your pinch. Okay, so now we're going to glue these adhesive tabs. Add a little bit of glue. Now it's easy to adhere these kind of wonky, so I like to make sure, and you do have a couple of minutes because it's the wet glue and you can slide it, but I like to make sure I slide my finger across the edge to make sure that the edges are perfectly even. And there you have your window pocket. So let me show you a couple of examples using these dies. So here's a little baby themed one. This one using the note pocket die. This would be cute to put a little gift card in, or this could even be some sort of a play setting of some kind at maybe a baby shower. For the scalloped pocket, here's a cute little one adorned with some flowers and some enamel dots. And last is our window pocket. And this tag is actually from our steel rule tag set die. And this is the largest of the three, and it fits perfectly into our window pocket. And this would be fun to maybe put like a little gift card to a restaurant, something like that. So I hope you have found this video helpful and I've inspired you to use your pocket dies. Thanks for watching and be sure to enjoy the journey.